Hi everyone, as you probably know, we have our 3-3 campaign going on right now, inspired by Olympus DAO, where you can either pool your funds for high APY or you can bond. A lot of people are confused of the bonding idea, so I made a separate tutorial to show you exactly how you do it, what it means, all that kind of stuff. I'm going to be using the Binance Smart Chain because it's cheaper for the tutorial, but it's pretty much exactly the same thing on Ethereum, just on Uniswap. You can see right now on the screen, I'm on the bonding section. What you do in this area is you take a LP token. In this case, for the Binance Smart Chain, you can see under there, it's the Boring BNB Cake LP, and you deposit it in here to buy Boring token at a discount. So we are buying your liquidity tokens, and you can get back the Boring token at a discount. The discount depends on how long you're okay for your funds to be locked for. So you can see the vesting term, and the vesting term, you can change it between 7 days, 14 days, and 28 days. Also at the top, you have the calculation. So the market price of Boring right now is around 14 cents. Using your Boring BNB Cake LP token essentially as a currency, you can buy the Boring token at a discount. You can see at the top left-hand corner, depending on how many days, 7, 14, or 28, you have different prices, so you can get a different discount, which is pretty cool. Let's rewind back to the beginning though, so I can show you how to do this step by step. First thing you gotta do is go to PancakeSwap. To make things extra simple for you guys, we actually put the link right here that you need, so just click on this little box over here. We're gonna be providing liquidity to the BNB Boring pair. What this means is that we are gonna be providing the funds that people are gonna be trading with on the Binance Smart Chain, and those funds have to be provided in a 50-50 ratio, equal value. I have to provide equal value BNB, equal value Boring token. So you can see I'm not providing a huge amount. I'm providing 252.69 Boring, which is equal to 0.051, etc. BNB, and I'm going to supply that. Click on the supply button and you'll get a pop-up with all the details. Confirm the supply, and then the transaction will go through using your MetaMask. You probably are familiar with all this kind of stuff. Click on the confirm button, and you could actually add the Cake LP token to your MetaMask so you could see it on your token list. So that's kind of cool. I'll do that. And then I'll close the window and go back to the Boring DAO 3-3 bond website. If I click on Max, I now have some LP tokens I can use to purchase Boring at a discount. So I have 3.28 LP tokens from PancakeSwap, exactly what it says under in that section rules. That's what I have. Boring BNB Cake LP. And as I described at the beginning, you can have vesting terms of 7 days, 14 days, or 28 days. That's how long your funds will be locked. So you can get a discount on the Boring token, a better discount depending on the length of your locking or vesting period. So you see 7 days, all the calculations are below. You get a 5.26 discount. If I do 14 days, it becomes more. 28 days, it becomes more. Top left-hand corner, you have all the examples. For this example, I'm going to be doing 7 days because I think that's enough. I'm happy with the 5.26% discount, and I don't want to wait any longer to get my tokens. Now click on the purchase button. If you've never done this before, you might have to do an approval, but yeah, click on approval or purchase, whatever button you got, and go through the typical MetaMask stuff, and that's it. So you have to wait the vesting period, and when that time is up, you can click on the redeem button, and you'll be able to claim your tokens after the period that you chose. Make sure you mark it on your calendar so you don't forget, because you're going to want to take those tokens and stake them in the 3-3 pool. To end things off, I'll show you what it looks like if you are on the Ethereum chain. Pretty much exactly the same, but instead of using PancakeSwap, you'll be doing the Boring ETH pair on Uniswap V2. So that little box is under the white area, and you click on the link, and it will take you to the Uniswap V2 page to add liquidity, and you do exactly the same thing. Except for gas prices are way more expensive, but that's how it is. Well, my friends, that's it for today. So if you have any more questions, come over to our Discord and we're happy to help. See ya.